Being one of the least digitized sectors, the construction industry has the potential to immensely benefit from the technologies that mimic human intelligence. From influencing fundamental processes, such as structural designs and plan creation to assert management, artificial intelligence can revolutionize every stage of construction. With emerging new AI technologies and tools, what do you think the construction industry will look like in the near future? And what are the new AI tools and techs coming in the construction sector? Let's explore these questions in today's video. 1. Planning and designing. Identifying the errors and blunders in the designs assembled by the project engineers is quite agitating and tiring for the supervisor. Now, artificial intelligence can determine whether or not a particular aspect of the design is optimal to proceed. This saves critical time for the team members and ultimately provides room for the workers to get engaged in other productive tasks. Did you know that AI-based 3D models have been launched in the construction industry to repair the building virtually? Yes, without any doubt, the AI-powered Building Informative Model, BIM, has been helping engineering and construction industries make 3D models to design and repair buildings effectively. These AI generative designs are then used to collaborate with the engineers and architects to explore the options and variations of the solutions to create design alternatives as well. These three-dimensional models, along with their multiple variations, are straightened up with each iteration, and the process continues until a flawless design is ensured. 2. Measuring site progress. To capture three-dimensional pictures at construction sites to measure the site progress, AI-powered robots fitted with cameras can now be implanted by construction companies. These 3D pictures, with the help of neural networks, can then be cross-checked concerning the input from building informative models. The continuous track of progress at the construction site is then marked by the engineers managing large projects to identify errors at the early stages. So, isn't it nice enough to conclude that AI-powered engineering technology in the construction industry will make sure to provide the best possible construction projects while standing by a tab on the time frame and financial schedule as well? 3. Risk mitigation. From safety hazards to cost overruns, every construction firm is prone to some kind of overlapping risks. The bigger the construction project, the bigger the likelihood of risk to be imposed. That's because multiple firms and subcontractors are teaming up on the construction sites at the same time. Anyhow, the good news is that generative AI tools now have effectively put an end to these threats. Here's how. AI-powered construction solutions have the potential to assess and monitor the probability of risk instances on construction sites, and thus allow the project engineers to stay focused on their core functions. Moreover, AI algorithms keep companies ahead in the competitive age by automatically prioritizing subjects based on unsafe framing and personnel lacking their crucial protective equipment. This will encourage the contractors to proactively address the safety concerns. 4. Alleviate labor shortage. In construction firms, there's always a shortage of laborers, and that may be because it is a physically challenging job that involves risks. Moreover, in the construction industry, the average turnover rate leaves all the other industries far behind it. To address this scenario, generative AI encourages project holders to look over the real-time industry status and resource requirements of multiple appointment sites. Based on these requirements, laborers can then be allowed to change their position from one project to another, or even from one job site to the other job site. To find the areas with limited availability of skilled labor, robots are supposed to scan those sites. 5. Predictive Analytics. Have you ever thought of a construction company taking proactive action against the anticipated issues even before the problem itself occurs? That's where generative AI comes in. To empower fleet tools and devices, construction firms are now capitalizing on the features of the Internet of Things, IoT, which promotes real-time tracking details. This, in turn, allows companies to predict their equipment breakdown issues even before they come up. This eventually leads to enhanced project planning and decision-making by analyzing data assembled from IoT devices and different sensors. Moreover, machine downtime will be reduced by up to 30 to 50% by the implementation of generative AI tools for predictive management strategies. That's a wrap for today's video. This is how AI is going to be implemented in the construction industry. Let us know in the comment section how you think AI in construction companies will change this industry in the near future. Thanks for watching.